Tere Jaanus, ma teen sust filmistaari.
Sa ei teegi trenni täna?
Ei.
Ma tahan trennipäev.
Täna oli vaba. No suht rahulik on seal alguses. Eile tegime 2 korda.
No meil on sõprad üks päev.
Sul on väga natukene moega valesti läinud.
Panin õhtusti lättud ja sokid. Ma panin praegu trenniliikumise selgena.
S3.
Ei küsi ainult ühe asja kohta abi, nad küsivad kõikide mingid, ma ei tea, kus on teod. Hüppasin jaledast, kus need jalanõud lööd ära.
Siin läks päris huvitavaks ühtäkki.
Crystal, I'm Mary. I'm starting my vlog again. You know, you see, like we talked about. Here are beautiful mountains and ferries driving on the river. And what else? It's damn hot outside. And this is pretty much, you see, get that, you see. It's pretty hard to walk over here. And that's it for today.
Rape van, it's good for you.
It's good for you.
Mis sa kogu aeg mina auke filmid? Jälle sa filmid? Filmi niimoodi panen üleval, ilus peenikene. Niimoodi.
Oi. Leidsin endale uue telefoni. Oi, Sony Xperia ka. Haigelt hea asi. Ma saan selle kellegile kinkida. Dokument find ka.
Anna siit.
Autoga kaasa. Oi, ta näppis oma juurikat. Ma ei saanud, ta näppis oma juurikat.
How awful is that those street signs are so small? If you are 6'5" tall like I am, what happens? Ära. super excited.
You know me inside out, and I forget how, I forget how. You know me inside out.
Siin on kõige kiirem rajaosa, siin on kõige pikem sirge, selle silla alt läheb läbi.
Ma näen, et selle rada.
Sealt hakkab pihta.
Meil oli paras sõit hakkas, oli 12.
Okay, where the fuck can I go then?
I saw one garage open in Adena when I drove past it. We can try our luck there.
Okay. Because, yeah, what else we can do? So, I don't know if you're okay with it, we can go.
Hyundai, Martini midagi.
Üks kurv on ka sellel rajal Adenauer Frost. Äkki samad siis.
Inimene siin üldse rattaga sõita ei ole. Ei, ma arvan ka, nad saavadki nende asjad.
Autosõiduhuvilised käivad siin, mitte kui on trahv.
Saame Juvast täiega hea video. Ah? Mis Opel niimoodi sõitis? Adenau. Linn või? Ma tean.
Oli palav on, vist isegi seista on palav.
Ma tean. Stop.
Läks vastu maad.
Jah, nüüd hea pole.
Kõik pole parem seista.
Mine. Tuul, palun võtta nii.
Ma ei pabista, sõidab ikka niimoodi, gaasi põhja lüüa ei saa, aga sujuvalt kiiresti võib ikka sõita. Mis selle reisi mõte siis on? Mõne autobaani peal ei saa sõita ka. Autokohtadele nagu saaks kuhugi, ma ei tea, kõnniteele panna või eest ära. Mina ei oleks kõige ala film a little what's going on here.
Aitab, sa ei tea, mis sealt tuleb. Aeglasemalt raamas.
Ma ei saa ju.
Palun aeglasemalt. Appi, kui hirmus see oli.
Sa teed selle video 10 korda huvitavaks, kui see muidu oleks olnud.
Ei ole, ma olen autoga sõinud, aga perse need. Ja tundub nagu jumala sirge. See ei ole üldse siin autos olles sirge. Ma olen täiesti higine. Mida vittu, kui õunes on. Mul on kõik tähest läbi istatud. See on kiiresti seda, kui siin 50. Aitab, Joonas. Hüüumärk. Ma ei oma ette kõrgu, ma lihtsalt ei saa see nii hirmus. Ega see algus, see oli lihtsalt crazy. et see, kui see video jääb täiesti jama, siis see ei tähenda mitte midagi, see oli lihtsalt kõige crazy'm asi ever. Sa sõidad liiga lähedal selle ära, ma kardan. Vittu küll!
Jahu, no ma
kardan lihtsalt.
Ma vajutan veerand, isegi meie piduri pedaalis.
Saan aru.
Ma vajutan veerandit.
Sa lubasid mul kärrida. Ossa raisk. Nägid või? Auto oli muslis, oli auto peale taha kertama niitsa moi, sealt tuleb täiega tossa.
You guys going to Berlin today?
What?
You guys going to Berlin today?
Yes. I'm just taping morning routine of a professional basketball player. So I can just post it on the forums.
Bitte. Kein Problem. Kein Problem. Tschüss.
Eine gute Reise.
Pühendus Pearule, eripühendused Kristjan, Tiu, Liina, Mari, Robert, Kristel ja ongi vist kõik Top Speed Runis, Triin Mitt, Audi RS6.
One debt to society later.
Berliin, here we come! On nii või? Mida me tahtsid Berliinis vaatama läheme, mis sa ütlesid?
Brandenburgi väravaid.
Brandenburgi väravaid. Berliin Centrum.
Vlogging laulud ka või?
Hello, my dear friend. See, it's vlogging time again. What I'm going to teach you today is how to pick up in a car. It's pretty hard to see that I need to hold with one hand, you see, GoPro, and I have only one hand left then. It's like pretty hard because here is so warm. JJ is listening some Beaches song. How are you going to comment that one? We are on our way to Berlin and I need to look like awesome in the picture. It's full makeup, you know.
Blogimine on, siis te peate rääkima kogu aeg, muidu on iga video.
So
I'm cleaning my neck now.
Yeah, I'm cleaning my neck now. You see, in the brows it's the most hardest because I made my brows in this morning and my hand is shaking. So now I need to wait like 10 seconds or so, or maybe I need one more. Because my face is like literally wet, super wet. Luckily my feet, kuinka on laulu seda?
Armpit.
Is it?
Armpit.
Armpit, they are like clean as hell because we went to McDonald's and I washed them. And like it's like crazy how with no shoe happens things. I accidentally pushed this emergency button, but it was so me. I think I have to finish now because I need to find my makeup stuff and we are kind of in Berlin now. So today's vlog was how to clean your face in a car and try to do makeup, but unfortunately I need to keep this battery life. So that's it. Bye bye. Hey Beaches, it's vlog time again. Unfortunately I couldn't finish my makeup because we are listening some guitar songs and we are arriving to do it. Berlin. We are going to sightsee, but first I need to clean up my hand because I use my BB cream, which belongs to Lumane. I'm going to tell you this number as well. Oh, sorry, this is all just one color. You see? This is all just one color. I need a new one, and it says it's like vitamin P as well. But now for you bitches, I'm going to volume up this. Down and down for my chain, G-Unit, we get it poppin' in the hood, G-Unit, motherfucker was good, I'm waiting for niggas to act like they don't know I had to sip it too much jack, I blow them off the mat with the mat, thinking it's all rap, till that ass get clapped, and Doc says it's a rap, nigga, I can't do it, homie. So, vlog time again, and Crystal and Mari, I just wanted to say that my outfit is kind of loose today because I had only like 3 pair of shoes. Oh, you see, we are in the main street and basically we can open like our rooftop handshaking theme, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. It's kind of main street, I think. You see peeps are here, all wearing shorts. Not one lady is not wearing anything, you see. How you do that there, bitch, let the blunt go. Say you gotta work while you in the club, ho. Hell no, you can't smoke my drugs, so now you in the club tryna fuck, no love, ho. How you do that there, bitch? So you did see like VIP thing over here because even I didn't see it. But basically my outfit is so off because I need to wear my sneakers and of course all my shorts are dirty and I need to wear my skirt for fat people. Kristen knows what I'm talking about. So I need to keep my battery life. See you in under or next to some monument. Cheers! Kristel, sinu auto sõidab ees. Volkswagen Up. See sobiks sulle?
Kristel sõits punasega üle lihtsalt.
Kuulsi, mis Joonas ütles?
Berliini Kristel sõits punasega üle.
Now you see, we are going to sightseeing. Kõik piiputavad, on ju. Lähme praegu läheneme.
Brandenburgi väravad on need.
Selge. Vaatame siis. I hope I'm not filming my thumb because Juhadi that whole 8 minutes. Mine kirjelda.
Suur auk. Millest lastud tuulistamas monumenti, mille nime me täpselt ei tea.
Meie siis praegu oleme Berliinis. Me praegu Brandenburgi väravate juures ja varsti läheme parlamendihoone juurde. Nii. Selline see on. Kristel Janata tahab kõike reisipiltiga meeldida. Tema ei. See teeb endast. Ma fotopombin nende. Nii. Ja nüüd meile peaks minema üle tee. Kui läheb roheliseks. Lähme katsuma ka neid. Lähme Brandenburgi väravaid katsuma. Joonas on nagu kohalik giid. Ta testib mu ajaloo teadmisega, ma ei tea. Joonas, vaata vasakule. See rohelisega. Ja nüüd me lähme vaatlema. Mega lahe on see siin, et siin on park sellest koolitsetakse, et seal oli veel oli mingi räme roheline kiht peal.
Vetsupaberid oli kõik täis, keegi oli vetsu teinud igal pool.
Jah, äkki leiame mõne Starbucksi ka. But who knows? Tahate, mis ma siis enda nimeks lasen panna või? Ma ütlen, mu nimi on Ristel Mary. Julged neid saab vastu mõtta või? Kes nad see olid? Ma ei tea. Kas oskad meile Joonas seletada, mida need värvid tähendavad lippudel? Ma ütlen German lippu. Ja seal on meie teejuht Joonas. Ühesõnaga sisse me vist ei lähe, sest et sinna ei vist fotokad kaasa võtta. So we are now seeing something I have never seen before. You see over there. And this is the continuing vlogging. Because Jonas said that I need to talk all the time, otherwise it's not vlog anymore.
I dedicate this video to all the Call of Duty World at War on veteran players. My heart goes out to all of the people who have suffered their way up there. It's not that hard right now anymore. Only a few fences and the doors.
Nii ja muidugi Joonas nägi RS6, kui me nüüd seda filmime. RS6. Inimesed on seal üleval kuplises, aga mina sinna kindlasti ei julge minna. Seal all, seal paremal on mega hull mingi turvakontroll. Ma ei saanudki aru, seal oli nagu saksakeelsed sildid ainult. Seal oli kirjas, et põhimõtteliselt no picture, aga ma ei saanud aru, kas see oli nagu selle kohta, et pildistada ei tohi või et seal konkreetselt kohas üldse. Ja peame vist nüüd Joonasele järgi jooksma. Joonas on nõkutaja või? Praegu ei ole enam nii hull, jah?
I've lived so many lives inside of this life. I've been on every side and I was never alive. When you step outside of the status lines and you see it right for the first time, you slow down, you slow it down. Too much, alright. You can hold on here for another time. You can step out where the wild wind feeds the fire. Too much, my mind. You're right on cage, yeah, you see it now. Your illusion fades and your dreaming comes alive. Sun's up, you're back on the grind. It's why we're here, right? You're so tough till you see your time rising up like a tide. You're traveling out that broken tide. You've been searching, fighting for your mind. You know something's waiting somewhere. You don't know how. Too much, alright. You can hold on here for another time. You can step out where the wild wind feeds the fire. Too much, my mind. You're right on cage. Your illusion fades and your dreaming comes alive.
I thought I'd make a little video about my C5.
Too much, alright. You can hold on here for another night. You can step out where the wild wind feeds the fire. Too much, you're right on cage, yeah, you see it now. Your illusion fades and your dreaming comes
Would you look at that? A bloody Supra.